Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and happy Tamiya Tuesday. We got the Tamiya Man Truck out here at the local park. Do some little rally runs up here in the gravel. It's kind of new to me, so I picked up these tires for 10 bucks. Kind of got little knobbies on there, so we're going to try those out. And we're running a 2S LiPo. Really the only thing that I've done to this is I upgraded the shocks. The body here sustained some damage during all the road racing we've been doing, so I reinforced it with fiberglass tape, and it feels a lot stronger than before, so I'm hoping that'll last a little longer. All right guys, let's get it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. This thing's just full. Alright, anyways, it was fun and well worth it. Till next time.